How to diversify your investment portfolio with real estate. Imagine waking up tomorrow with your financial future fully secured, your investments working hard while you sleep. You don't have to be a millionaire to make it happen, but here's the secret. It starts with diversification, specifically real estate. But most people don't even know where to start. And you? Well, you can't afford to make that mistake. If you want to create wealth that lasts, it's time to step up your game and take control of your future. Today, I'll show you how real estate can be the key to unlocking true wealth. Stick with me. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to use real estate to diversify your portfolio and secure the lifestyle you've always dreamed of. 1. The problem. Why diversification is crucial. Let's face it, if you're only putting your money in stocks, bonds, or crypto, you're playing with fire. You're exposed to market volatility that can burn you when you least expect it. Last year's crash was a wake-up call for many investors. The market can turn on a dime. And no one is immune to the risks. If all your eggs are in one basket, you're only one downturn away from losing everything. That's why diversification is not just a smart move. It's a survival strategy. And real estate? Well, it's the asset class that can withstand economic storms while still offering long-term growth. Here's why. 2. The strategy. How real estate protects you. Real estate is not like the stock market. You see, it's a tangible physical asset. Unlike stocks, which can plummet, real estate typically appreciates over time. Sure, there are dips, but on the whole, it's a safer, more stable investment. Think of real estate as your financial fortress. Unlike stocks that can be manipulated by market sentiment, real estate is driven by real-world factors: demand, location, and scarcity. And you know what they say, they aren't making any more land. While crypto may have its place, you don't want to risk your future on a volatile, speculative market that could disappear tomorrow. Real estate has stood the test of time, and it's not going anywhere. Now, the real magic of real estate comes when you use it as part of a diversified portfolio. Think of it as your foundation, supporting your other investments. In times of market uncertainty, real estate can act as a buffer, providing stability when everything else seems to be falling apart. 3. The plan. How to start your real estate journey. So, how do you start? First, let me stop you right there. You don't need to be a millionaire to start investing in real estate. In fact, you can begin with just a few $1,000s. But it does require a plan. And the first step is understanding your options. One strategy that works for many people is house hacking. This is where you buy a property, live in one part, and rent out the others to cover your mortgage. Yes, you heard me right. You could live for free. Imagine living in a beautiful home while someone else is paying your mortgage. Does that sound like a dream? It's not a dream. It's a strategy that's helping young investors create wealth. And it's something you can start today. Now, I know what you're thinking. But what if I don't know anything about real estate? Here's the thing. Fear is the one thing that keeps most people stuck. But the reality is, there are so many resources out there to help you get started. Whether it's online courses, books, or mentorships, you don't have to figure it out alone. But wait, there's more. There's a strategy that can take your real estate game to the next level, one that most investors don't know about. Want to know what it is? Keep watching, because this is where things get really interesting. 4. The secret strategy. Here it is, real estate syndications. This is where you pool money with other investors to buy larger properties like apartment complexes, office buildings, or commercial spaces. What's incredible about syndications is that you can get started with as little as $5,000. but the returns can be huge. By investing in syndications, you get access to high-value properties without needing to manage them yourself. It's like investing in a stock, but with the added benefit of a physical, stable asset in your portfolio. And this could be the strategy that accelerates your journey to financial freedom. Now that you have the knowledge, it's time to take action. You don't need to wait for the perfect moment, because it'll never come. The best time to start investing in real estate was yesterday. The second best time is right now. Start small, start smart, and build your way up. Real estate can change your life. It's time to let it do just that. Be sure to subscribe, like, and comment below with your next step on this journey. Let's do this together. Subscribe for more wealth-building strategies.